I'm going to be showing you 3 simple steps you can use to make money recommending Revit Tutorial Masterclass to other people. It is going to be simple step. It is not going to be complicated stuff, or you don't need to be highly skillful before you can use this method. Without wasting your time, let's get into it. The first step is you need to be posting your work consistently on social media. You can post it on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook page, your Instagram, your TikTok, everywhere you are on social media. Keep posting your work. So as you are posting your work, there are some of your colleagues who are architects or engineers that don't know how to use Revit yet. So definitely some of them are going to admire your work and they are going to be making comments like, how do I learn this? What did you use to render this job? What software did you use? Then you are going to pick it up from there. You are going to say you use Revit for modeling and whatever rendering software you use. You tell them that this is a software you used, and then they may say they want to learn. So if they say they want to learn, all you need to do is, okay, if you want to learn, let me send you a video. Just watch this video. This video will help you. Don't even tell them that go and buy this course, okay? Don't prove as if you are marketing to them. If you show it as if you are marketing it to them, some of them will resist it. But rather you show it as if you are helping them, okay? So just tell them that you are sending them a video, you are sending them a link to a video that they should watch the video. As simple as that, okay? So the link you are going to send to them will be your own affiliate link to this course. Let me show you how the affiliate link look like. Now, if you look at this link now, look at this carefully. You see after equals to, you see you have graphics. This is my own affiliate link. Okay, your own will certainly be different from this. If you want to customize your own, you come here, you click edit. Whatever you type here is what is going to differentiate your own affiliate link from my own. If, for example, I want to change it to team, I save now. From that moment, my affiliate link has changed to equals to team. So this is the only thing that differentiates one person's affiliate link from another. If you copy the link and send it to the person is going to tap on that link to watch the video. Don't even tell them that they are going to buy. Just tell them they are going to watch the video. And of course, the video is on that page. So let's assume the person tap on the link to go watch the video. Now this is the page that it will take the person to. Now this is the video we are talking about. After the person have watched this video, if the person want to buy this Revit course, there is a place to make payment down below. Okay, so the person will fill his name here, his email address, and make payment. And if assuming he did not make payment for that day, till the next 60 days, that code is still active. So within that 60 days, after he click on that link, it is still active. If he buys within that 60 days, you are going to make your commission of 50%. As simple as that. Okay, so let's recount the steps again. The first step is you post your work on social media. Second step, if the person wants to learn, you send him your link, and of course you need to register. I'm going to show you how to register so that you can get your link. Getting your link is very simple. So you send him your link, and you are telling him to go and watch the video, not to go and buy. Don't tell him you are going to buy. Tell him to go and watch the video. All right. Then the third step is that once the person buys, you make your commission. As simple as that. Now the question you might have is, how will I know that you are the one that recommend him? It is very simple. Because of your link. Now if you look at this link now, you see that it is my own link that is here. This is what differentiates the person that came through your recommendation from another person. This your affiliate link is what differentiates the person you recommended from another person. So at our own back end, we are going to see who recommend that particular student. You, on the other hand, you can just follow up on a very mild mode. One day you can just chat him up and say, how far? Were you able to watch the video? He may reply, yes, he watched the video. He will be the one to tell you that, okay, so the cost is 40,000 naira or 50,000 naira. You say, yes, that is the man that taught me. Mr. Timothy is the one that taught me that I was able to get to this level now. I wish I could create the course, but I don't have the time to create the course now. So I highly recommend him. It's good. You can master Revit within few months or few weeks. So as simple as that. I hope this video is very simple enough for you to use it. In the next video, you are going to watch how you can get your own link. So let's get into the next video now.